Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Apply the mask to damp hair from mid-length to ends, avoiding the scalp to prevent buildup. Work through with fingers or a wide-tooth comb so every strand gets coated. Cover with a shower cap or warm towel to boost penetration, then rinse thoroughly and style as usual for softer, stronger hair. Begin with clean, towel-dried hair and divide into manageable sections to ensure even coverage. Dispense the mask and apply to each section, focusing on mid-lengths and ends where damage and dryness are most common. Gently comb through to distribute the formula and avoid rubbing at the scalp, which can stimulate oil production. Cover and allow the active rosemary and mint extracts to adjust the treatment time based on your hair's needs. 5 minutes for fine hair and up to 15 minutes for coarse or very dry hair usually works well. Rinse with cool to lukewarm water to help close the cuticle and lock and shine, and avoid harsh scrubbing that can create tangles. Pat dry with a towel and style gently, adding a small amount of leave-in or oil if your ends need extra care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.